This tutorial will show you color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step for color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro CC is we have our video clip that I'd like to color correct, or basically I just want to change the color of this video here. Okay, so the first step is to click and highlight the video just to make sure that it is selected, and then you want to go in the top left hand screen and then you want to click under effects, and basically if you don't have this window, you can go into the top right here, window next to view and help, and then basically locate effects and make sure that it's checked, and also effects control, and basically under here you want to type in the following: Limetry and then color. Basically under color correction, Limetry color, if you click, hold, and drag it on the video clip, you see it turn purple, and then we go into effects control, and now we want to make sure the Limetry color is opened and enabled by clicking the drop down arrow. And basically you have a bunch of different options for free color correction in an Adobe Premiere Pro. You have basic correction. As you can see, we can adjust the temperature. If we drag this to the right, our video clip turns more orange, or like a summer punchy vibe. We drag this to the left, it turns more blue, like a winter vibe. You can change the exposure, or how bright or how dark, contrast, highlights, shadows. If it's dark, you can bring this up as well, so it makes it more bright, like the exposure, the whites in the video or image, and then the blacks. Notice when I drag this to the left, the blacks become less black, and should I say this is the before and this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.